to import contacts from Gmail to Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Now, simply scroll down in here and click on Accounts. After you've clicked on Accounts, you'll find different accounts available. Select the Google account you want to import from. After you've selected it will lead you to this page. Click on Account Sync, which is the second option in here. In Account Sync, you'll find Contacts. Turn Contacts on. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to import contacts from Gmail to Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.